Imagine opening your code editor, and instead of boring terminals and logs, you see tiny pixel characters walking around an office. One is reading files, one is typing code, another is waiting for instructions. It literally looks like a tiny team of programmers working for you. This is a real developer tool called Pixel Agents, built for Visual Studio Code, and it works with the AI coding system Claude Code. And the craziest part, it actually helps developers manage multiple AI agents at once. The problem. It solves. Here's something people don't talk about enough. When developers use AI coding agents today, things get messy. You might have 3 terminals running, 2 AI agents writing code, another agent debugging something, and logs scrolling everywhere. At some point, you just sit there thinking, wait, what is my AI actually doing right now? That's the problem Pixel Agents solves. Instead of reading logs, you watch the agents work. What Pixel Agents looks like. Once you install the extension in Visual Studio Code, something funny happens. Every time you start an AI coding session using Claude Code, a little pixel character appears, and each character represents an AI agent, so your editor becomes a tiny pixel office. When the AI reads files, the character opens a book. When the AI writes code, the character starts typing. When the AI is waiting for your input, a speech bubble appears above its head.
Run 5 eggs and dead died in some momade. Alright, 5 tiny programs working for you.
The GitHub project. The entire project is open source. You can actually see the code on GitHub, where the repository Pixel Agents was created by developer Pablo De Luca. What's interesting is that the project isn't huge. It's surprisingly lightweight, but the idea behind it is incredibly clever. Because Pixel Agents doesn't control the AI at all, it just observes what the AI is doing. How it actually works. Here's the trick. When you run Claude Code, the system writes something called a transcript log. Think of it like a diary of everything the AI does. For example, read a file, write code, run a command, wait for approval. Pixel Agents watches these logs in real time. When it sees an event like read file, it triggers the reading animation. When it sees write file, the pixel character starts typing. So the extension basically converts AI actions into animations. Under the hood, it's built with TypeScript, React, the VS Code WebView system, which means the Pixel Office is basically a tiny game engine running inside your editor. Why this idea is actually big. At first, Pixel Agents looks like a joke, but many developers realize something important. When you run multiple AI agents, you need a visual way to monitor them. Logs don't scale well, dashboards get cluttered, but spatial interfaces, like a virtual office, make it easy to see what's happening. One glance, and you instantly know which AI is working, which one is stuck, which one just finished a task. It's basically mission control for AI agents. The bigger future. Pixel Agents might seem playful, but it hints at something bigger. In the future, developers might not just write code, they might manage entire teams of AI agents, and instead of terminals, we might control them inside visual workspaces, like this tiny pixel office. Which means your code editor might eventually look less like software, and more like a simulation of an AI company working for you.